Hey guys, we're heading down to Springbrook National Park today for a little road trip, and I want to take you to a beautiful waterfall called Natural Bridge. It's set inside a cave with some glowworms, so we're going to take some photos there and have a bit of a wander around. So let's go! Okay, so we're at Springbrook National Park now, and we're at the top of the waterfall. As you can see here, so the water's falling down into the cave, and we're going to go down the bottom in a second and have a look and take some photos from down there. Okay, so I've just set up for my first composition here at Natural Bridge. So you can see in there, we've got the water flowing through the cave. It's looking quite pretty. This is one of my favorite compositions here at Natural Bridge. So I've got my Sony a7R II set up, and I've got my 16 to 35mm lens. My aperture is set to f8, and my ISO is 50 and a shutter speed of 0.03. I had to put a filter, a graduated filter on, because the top part of the photo is quite bright and the bottom part is quite dark. So I did a graduated filter to balance the exposure there. So I'll take a shot and I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, so I just did some photos inside the cave over there, but it was a bit hard to hear, so I've come out here just to explain what I was doing. So we've got this nice view behind us. So the cave is just in around the corner there. So I was doing a long exposure on my camera, and because the cave was so dark, I just did a couple of different exposures. So I exposed for the water and this outside bit here, which was quite bright, and then I exposed for the inside, the dark bit which was the cave part, and I'll blend those two together in post-processing, and I'll show you how that turns out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel as well. If you do subscribe, leave a comment below saying I subscribed, and I'll reply to your comment, and I'll see you again in the next video.